TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We had the Dow Industrials finish down 179, NASDAQ off 91, S&P's down 16.5. All the indices, folks, came down with volume once again. So now what you have dailies down on volume, you have weeklies down on volume. If we go over and just take a look at the S&P, just to give you an idea, inside the SPY, what we have out here on a weekly basis, we did 94 million out here today. Weekly, you're talking about some big numbers. Way down, 379 million. You're at 287 right now, and it looks to me like your next number out here is about 275. The IWM, which is the small caps, that led the market lower. Bottom line, the IWM up here down $1.48. And when you take a look at this, bottom line, in 1 week, we just brought it back to the trading of May 18th. So that's quite a bit of trading out here that basically got taken out. Huge volume on the way down. The IWM broke a swing point. Swing point that it broke is the week of the 29th of June. That swing point had 135 million. We broke that with 141. That sets up a run to the February 9th deal. And February 9th, folks, is still game out here in all the indices. February 9th, in the IWM, the high of that is 153. The low is 142. So I expect what you're probably going to see is we're going to make a run for that next week, because you got to remember something. We ran down 9 points in the IWM, so we're only another basically 9 points down to the top of that level. Dow Industrials, that hit a new all-time high this week and then came off that high. You're still at highs. That's the real bottom line. The Dow Industrials certainly is not back inside its lower range, not even close. The high that we hit this week was 29,951. What's surprising, bottom line, is that, market goes south, but gold caught a bid, kept a bid. Gold's at 1206, and what I expect you're going to see here next week, we're going to make a run for 1218 to 1220. We'll see whether it got the juice to get up on through that. Silver was a good performer out here this week also. What you had with silver's up 0.5% today, 1467. Silver looks to me like next run next week is going to be somewhere up into the $15.35. King dollar just can't hold price. King dollar was down 122, trading 95,290. Recap out here, we had the Dow Industrials finish down 180, NASDAQ off 91, S&P's off 16. Have a great weekend, safe weekend, folks.